Hey folks, Adam here from Elite Demonstrations. We are looking at Cara MD from Dr. Cara, Dr. Formulated. This is Sleep Guard. Sleep Guard is a great mix of sleepy time herbs, all natural, vegan, formulated in the USA, and this stuff is absolutely fantastic. So let me show it to you. First off, you just take 2 of these. Now me personally, sometimes I only take 1 if I don't want too much sleep, and you do take it with a glass of water. It's absolutely fantastic. So what does it have in it? First off, valerian root is an absolutely amazing extract that just puts you at calm, makes you feel relaxed, and helps you just drift to sleep. Now, this isn't something that's going to make you pass out. And the only people that I've ever heard complain about valerian root and melatonin and stuff like that, they expect to just pass out immediately. This just makes your brain relax, makes you sleepy. Now think about that. We've got all sorts of supplements for all parts of our body. You want to take protein, you want to take creatine, you want to get fit. There's stuff for that. Well, there's stuff for your brain that helps you produce all the chemicals and everything that you need to get a deep sleep, to get in that REM and into that deep, deep sleep that we all know and love. So this Sleep Guard has, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 different ingredients to really help you get into that perfect night of sleep. It's formulated in the USA, which is important to me. It's Dr. Formulated by Dr. Cara, who everybody is raving about some of his amazing supplements, his lectin, his heart guard, all of his stuff, and this stuff makes a real difference. Now, it's easy to take, it's easy to help put your mind at ease, and I'm a big, big fan. The facilities are non-GMO, or it's non-GMO, it's GMP certified facilities, and this stuff, it's so easy, it's vegan, it's good for you, unlike some of that stuff that you take that really has negative effects, the ones that they say don't take for more than 30 days. Be careful of those. So anyway, folks, I'm Adam. I only tell you about products I own, I love, and I think you're gonna love. Well, guess what? I own it, I love it, and I absolutely know you're going to love Sleep Guard from Dr. Cara. Again, take 2 of these every night. This is a 30-day supply. Take it with a glass of water. It says it helps protect and improve sleep quality. What you're gonna notice is you're gonna remember your dreams, first off, because you're gonna get into that deep sleep cycle. You're gonna really remember your dreams. You're gonna be having very vivid dreams, and potentially you're gonna sleep longer. This won't make you just pass out on the pillows, but it'll help you feel drowsy and have a more natural, organic sleep that you're gonna love. Again, Cara MD, Dr. Cara. He's got great products. Check out all his products. I'm a big fan of the company. And it says, take 2 Sleep Guards. They're veggie capsules once a day. Sleep Guard is made in the USA in our FDA registered facility using natural ingredients. All right, folks, I'm Adam from Elite Demonstrations. Again, I only show you products I own, I love, and I know you're gonna love. Well, guess what? I own it, I love it, and I know you're gonna love it. Now go get some rest. All right, thanks for watching, and adios, amigos.